Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and AI YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can slow down your Google Translate voice. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser, and now you simply need to search for the Translate or Google Translate in Google. So let me click on this Translate, and now you can see there is a links on in the screen. So let me click on this one, and now you can see you have been redirected to the official page of the Google Translate. And you can also see there is a settings option on in the screen. So you need to click on that settings, and you can see there is a 3 options: normal, slow, and slower. So to show you a demo, let me enter something. Let's say, hey there, how are you? And now you can see the Google Translate has translated my English language to the Spanish on screen. So now let me hear this voice first.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Okay, so now let me click on the settings, and now let me click or tap on this slow. And let me play this again.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Now you can see there is a slower as well. So let me select this one as well. And let me play this again.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
So yeah, basically this is how you can slow down your Google Translate voice. And if you still encounter an issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.